Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will learn about web.config file and user profile section. In the web configuration, under profile section, one can store user profiles. To store 3 profile information for a user, we can create 3 name value pairs under the profile collection. Right? So one is we need a profile section. In the web configuration under the profile section, one can store the user profiles. To store 3 profile information, we need 3 name value pairs. ASP.NET provides ProfileBase class to read and write data on this specific section. So we can make use of the ProfileBase class to perform the read and write operation about the profile specific information. Methods getPropertyValue and setPropertyValue performs read and write operation. Right? So you can make use of getPropertyValue and setPropertyValue to perform read and write action on the specific section. The save method persists the in-memory profile base content to the disk. So when you make a call to save, the content will be persisted to the disk. That means the data will be saved into the database. The same way, one can use the delete profile method to delete a specific user profile. So if you see here, we are talking about 2 methods. One is save, or you can use delete profile. So ASP.NET provides ProfileBase class. So using this utility class, you can perform all these functions. You can use this function, save, delete profile, all those stuff you can make use of, you can use by using the ASP.NET provided ProfileBase class. We will look into the demo in the next video. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.